Hello my people, so once again I'm now with this update. So I see here in my balance I have already made a deposit of $11. So let me just make it clear to you guys. This platform, you come up to this platform, you sell NFTs, you buy when the price rises, you just sell it out. So I just made a deposit of $11 so that I can use it to purchase an NFTs. So let's just go to NFT markets. So let's just allow this thing to load up. Okay, sorry for that. So you can see here, this one my money cannot afford it. $40 cannot buy it. This one to 100 and something dollars, 29. So let's just be scrolling up. So I'll be buying this NFT. This one I'll be buying it. So for me to buy it, I'll just click on this icon buy. So that's just it. Let me click on buy. So you can see that I already show me my balance. That's 11 USDT. So I'm just going to put in the amount here. Okay, that's I'm going to purchase this NFT. Let me just put one here. Yeah, you can see the price of the NFT, 10.9 cents. So that's just it. That's how everything works here. So for me to proceed, I'll scroll up, and then this buying icon here, I'll just hit on it. So that's just it. So let's just wait for a moment. Okay, so you can see here, exchange successfully. So that's just it. Let me just go and check whether this NFT have been bought successfully. So let me just go back. Sorry guys, it's network. Just allow. Let's just go up. Let's just go up. So you can see this NFT. I have already bought this NFT. So I'll be waiting for the price to rise up for me to sell it and withdraw my funds. So let's just wait to 2 days or 3 days, then I'll come and finish up the video. Thank you. So let's just say for you to get an account for yourself, before you make a deposit, you must verify your real name here. Then you download the Google Alternator. So you can also download the app and make a deposit of any amount you want to deposit, depending on the NFT you want to bought for yourself. So this platform is a pretty good platform. So you just come up here, buy NFTs, wait for it to go up. When the price rises, then you come up here, sell it and withdraw your funds. So you buying it and selling it immediately, you will be on a loss because they will be taking 5% of the price. So once it goes up, you sell it. So thank you.
The next day.
People, after 22 hours, this is our current balance here, 11.43. As you guys remember yesterday, it's only 11 USDT that I make a deposit of. So you can say that this platform is really working. So currently here is the NFT which I bought yesterday. Just remember yesterday I bought it at 10.9 cents, and today is now about 11.33 cents. So you guys have already seen that this platform is really working. So once you register on this platform, after the registration, first thing for you to do is just click on this icon here, verified by real names. So you can see I have already verified my own. So just verify your own. Then after that, click on this Google key for you to bind your key with a Google alternator. If you don't have it, just go to Google Play Store and search for it. You will get it there. Then you can also download the app if you want. So let's just click on the recharging icon. Let me show you guys how to recharge. So once you click on that recharging icon, it's going to bring you up to this diagram immediately. So just select your RS20, then input the amount you want to withdraw, recharge. So let's just put here 11. Then click on payment here for you to make the payment. So once you click on it, you just double press this address given to you. You can see copy, or you click on copy icon here. You can see copy successful. So just make the payment. You can go to any crypto wallet and make a recharge of 11 USDT. Okay, just make sure you are sending exactly 11 USDT. So let's just move back and try withdraw. So currently here, I just click on withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you just need to select all these things. So let's just click on TRS20. You can see the address that I bind. You can see the address that I have already bind. So just put in the amount that you want to withdraw here. You can see the handling fee. Once you put in the quality, everything will show automatically here, because they will take a handling fee. But let me say this platform doesn't have any handling fee, because I have already tried withdraw in the other accounts. They don't have any this thing withdrawing fee. So this platform is currently working now. So you can come to this trading market here for you to look for NFTs you want to buy. So you can see all these are NFTs. Just look for the one that you can afford and buy. Okay, all these are NFTs. Uh, so this is the one that I bought yesterday. This one I bought this one yesterday. So you can see they have added this NFT today. They added this one today, because yesterday I did not see this one. It's today that they added this NFT, and they added it at 9.99. And you see the current price of this NFT now is 10 USDT. So just select anyone that you want to buy and buy. Just for you to remember that I'm nowhere financial advisor. Okay. All these things that you are seeing here is just for educational purposes. Okay. So you can see all these are NFTs. Everything here you are seeing is NFTs. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.